Hi guys, need to show this video how to do exterior work. You can see over there block work and the metal here, plywood, and the plywood 5/8, they seal joint and screws. You can see everything. Plastic at the top. You can see slab work. Metal stud here. You can see steel bollard. Slab work. Metal stud framing. You can see headers at the top. Headers and started sheetrock. You can see also here flashing. You can see they put a coat here. Electrical work, duct work, drywall, ceiling. You can see plastic, duct work, fire sprinkler, duct work. Metal stud framing, electrical work, MC boxes, socket joint. Here you can see steel, block, duct work. Here you can see the horizontal support for the exterior metal. You can see for the exterior metal, like each 6 or 7 foot. That is slab, slab recess, maybe 2 inches. Steel bollard, they poured concrete at the top. Header, you can see metal stud header. You can see jug and king header. You can see they put flashing and coat. You can see plywood, 1/2 inch plywood, and they hit it with coat. Block work, steel work. Drywall, they started at the top. Here you can see mason work, electrical work, water line, metal stud, plumbing work, electrical work here, steel structure, mason work, garage doors, plumbing, roofing walls, plumbing work, supported, duct work, covered everything, chalk line. You can see doors, header. You can see header. Okay. Header, duct work, socket for joint, drywall at the top. They started to do the top, cut it for duct, opening for duct work, opening. You can see they covered the end with plastic so the bird will not go inside. And here you can see header, here long header, long opening. Sometimes they will come back later and put 2 by 6, that's 6 inches. header, duct work, opening at the ceiling, plywood, everything per drawing, electrical work, duct work, drywall, electrical work, sprinkler system. You can see flex head, plywood. Here you can see exterior plywood. They took care with the joint and support, as I said, support, horizontal support. You can see everything plywood, and then they will do air barrier. Okay guys, snow. You can see exterior work. I took care. Steel. You can see how to start the framing at the entry here, and then here the air barrier. So you can see the framing, plywood, and the entry. Same thing like this side. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. I'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you.